If you're seeing Steam error 53, don't worry. In most cases, this is caused by a background service conflict that stops your game from properly communicating with Steam Cloud or the Steam service. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the most effective fixes step by step so you can get back into your game as quickly as possible. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech fixes just like this. Let's get into it. First, let's start with one of the most common causes, antivirus or firewall interference. Sometimes security software like McAfee, Windows Defender, or another third-party antivirus can mistakenly flag Steam files as a threat and block them in the background. To test this, temporarily turn off real-time scanning or pause your antivirus protection for a few minutes. If you're using a firewall, you can also allow Steam through it temporarily. Once that's done, try launching your game again and see if the error is gone. If it works, you've likely found the cause. Next, open Steam and verify the integrity of your game files. This is one of the best fixes when a game has missing, damaged, or mismatched files. To do this, right-click the game in your Steam library, choose Properties, then go to Local Files and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will now scan the installation and automatically replace any broken or missing files. Depending on the size of the game, this can take a few minutes, so let the process finish completely before testing again. If the error is still showing up, the next thing to try is running Steam as an administrator. Sometimes Steam needs elevated permissions to properly access files or services on your computer. First, close Steam completely. Make sure it's not still running in the system tray or in Task Manager. Then right-click the Steam shortcut and select Run as administrator. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes. After Steam opens, try starting the game again and check whether error 53 is resolved. Another thing you should check is your available disk space. If your storage drive is almost full, Steam may not be able to write temporary files correctly, which can trigger errors like this. Open File Explorer and check how much free space you have on the drive where Steam and your game are installed. If you're running low, delete unused files, uninstall programs you no longer need, or move large media files to another drive. Once you free up some space, relaunch Steam and test the game again. If none of that has worked so far, do a full restart of your computer. A simple restart can clear temporary lock issues, reset background services, and refresh system resources that may be interfering with Steam. This step sounds basic, but it often fixes problems that stick around after updates, crashes, or failed launches. After your PC restarts, open Steam again and try the game one more time. Now, if Steam error 53 is still not fixed, there may be a deeper issue with the game installation itself. In that case, you may need to reinstall the game. Before doing that, make sure you've tried the previous steps because reinstalling should usually be the last option. If you decide to reinstall, uninstall the game from Steam, then download it again fresh. This can replace corrupt files that verification may not have repaired. After the reinstall, launch the game and check whether the problem is finally gone. To quickly recap, Steam error 53 is usually caused by a conflict with a background service, antivirus software, corrupted game files, low disk space, or a temporary system lock. The best order to try is disable antivirus or firewall briefly, verify your game files, run Steam as administrator, check disk space, restart your computer, and if needed, reinstall the game. Hopefully one of these fixes got you back into Steam without the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more gaming and PC troubleshooting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.